to Sunbeam Secondary School. I am Miss Vastavikta. Today we are going to start the second lesson of class 7, Nutrition in Animals. In this lesson we will be learning about the process of nutrition in animals. In animals we will be first studying about amoeba, which is the simplest organism, after that paramecium, hydra, frog, and then the human beings. In the previous lesson we saw nutrition in plants. Plants were autotrophs, but animals are heterotrophs. That means they take nutrients from other autotrophs or another heterotrophs. See, heterotrophs, all the animals on this earth are heterotrophs. They depend on plants directly or indirectly. So the food that we take from plants are not digested immediately. It needs to be broken down into simple soluble form so that body cells can absorb it. For absorption of the food by the body cells, it is necessary that the food must be broken down into simple soluble form. Hence, the process of nutrition in animals comprises of 5 steps. The first step is ingestion. Ingestion, the process of taking in food. Okay, this ingestion is the first step of nutrition in animals. Just taking food inside the body is called nutrition. So animals take food through mouth, but many animals have special organs for the process of ingestion, such as amoeba. It has pseudopodia for the process of ingestion. What human beings, what they use hand and mouth. With the help of hand they put the food into mouth and the food goes into the body. Hence the process of ingestion gets completed. So ingestion is the process of taking in of food. After taking in food, it is necessary to break down the food into simple soluble form. Hence this process, digestion, breaking down complex food into simple form. Breaking down complex food into simple form with the help of digestive juices formed inside the body is called digestion. That means breaking down complex food. Okay, the food that we eat is complex. It is not simple. It has to be broken down into simple form so that the absorption is possible by the body cells. So digestion is breaking down of complex food into simpler form. Okay, and how it is done? It is done with the help of digestive juices called digestive enzymes. These digestive enzymes are formed inside our body itself. For example, carbohydrate and fat are broken down into simple form. Carbohydrate, it is broken down into simple form, glucose, sugar and starch. Fats are broken down into fatty acid and glycerol. Okay, carbohydrate, it is broken down with the help of different enzymes that is secreted in our mouth, stomach and small intestine. We will be reading further in this lesson only. Fats, these are digested with the help of bile juice. You must have heard about bile juice. So this digestion, it is necessary. It is necessary for breaking down food into simple form. This digestion is necessary so that the complex food that we eat is broken down into simple form with the help of digestive enzymes present in the body. After the digestion, it is important for the body cells to absorb the food. That means to suck the food. Okay, so this process, absorption, this is the third important step of nutrition. That means digested food molecules are absorbed by the walls of a small intestine and transported to the body to all parts. That means the food that is digested has to be taken to all the parts. So this absorption in human being, it is done with the help of villi present in the walls of a small intestine. After absorption by villi, it is transported to all parts of the body with the help of blood. After that, these cells utilize this food for doing various life processes, for doing various activities. So this process, assimilation, the process of utilizing the absorbed food for obtaining energy and growth. This is what assimilation is. Assimilation is using the absorbed food which was digested. Okay, and after that this is ingestion. Egestion, the process of removal of undigested solid part from the body. Some of the food that is not digested, that cannot be digested, it is necessary to remove this food out so that the body is free of waste. No waste substance is there inside the body, because accumulation of undigested solid part leads to the formation of toxin, which is harmful for organism. So these are the 5 steps involved in the process of nutrition in organism: ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. You can see the flow chart here. Nutrition in animals comprises of 5 steps: ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. Ingestion, taking in food; digestion, breaking down the complex food; absorption, absorbing the food; and assimilation, utilizing the food; egestion, that means throwing out the undigested substance out of the body. So this is how nutrition in human being takes place. In the next segment, we will be reading about nutrition in amoeba. How does amoeba take food?